Claudia Gayle's deposition reveals discrepancies, raising doubts about identity. During a deposition, Claudia Gayle, the plaintiff in a lawsuit against Harry's Nurses Registry Incorporated, made several statements that have raised questions about her identity and the veracity of her claims. Employment history discrepancies. Gayle's resume and testimony regarding her employment history contain inconsistencies. She claims to have worked at several healthcare facilities, but her resume only reflects employment at Ocoee Healthcare Center. Additionally, she claims to have been paid with W-2s for most of her employment, but she has not produced any W-2s for several of her alleged positions. Educational background discrepancies. Gayle's claims about her educational background are also questionable. She states that she attended Excelsior College in Albany, New York, but there is no record of her enrollment. She also claims to have completed an application for employment at Florida Hospital College of Health and Sciences, but the date on the application is prior to her attending school in Orlando. Employment agency discrepancies. Gayle's statements about her work with employment agencies are also inconsistent. She claims to have worked for White Glove Placement, Incorporated as a licensed practical nurse since September 2006, but she admits that there were periods of time when she did not take assignments from the agency. She also claims to have worked for Harry's Nurses Registry from February 2007 to November 2007, but she lists a Covington, Georgia address on her application for employment. This is inconsistent with her testimony that she was living in New York at the time. Lack of corroborating evidence. Gayle has provided limited documentation or witnesses to support her claims. She has not produced any W-2s for her alleged employment, and she has not provided any evidence to support her claims about her educational background or work with employment agencies. Immigration status discrepancies. Gayle's testimony on immigration was suspicious as she failed to establish her legal status in the United States. As a result, she is not eligible to work. Harry's inquiry on her citizenship status to the Social Security Administration demonstrates that she is not a citizen. She also admits that during the deposition. Conclusion. The inconsistencies in Claudia Gayle's testimony and the lack of corroborating evidence raised serious doubts about her identity and the veracity of her claims. It is possible that the person who testified as Claudia Gayle is not actually Claudia Gayle, and that this person has fabricated her identity and employment history to file a lawsuit against Harry's Nurses Registry Incorporated. Further investigation is needed to determine the true identity of the plaintiff and the validity of her claims.